Hey guys, today we're making brownies. No box mix required. These are going to be delicious. Let's head over to the stove and we'll start by melting a half a cup of butter, which is 1 standard stick, over medium heat. Don't forget to give it a little poke and a stir of encouragement as it's melting. Once that's melted, add in a cup of white sugar. Now we want to give this a really good whisking to get the sugar and butter incorporated really nicely. That looks pretty good right there. Now we'll crack 2 eggs into our mixture. There's 1 and 2. Give this another really good mixing. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix that in. Now add a 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and a half a cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and finally a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Carefully mix these dry ingredients in, trying not to make too big of a mess. And there we have our brownie batter. So grab an 8x8 inch baking dish and give it a quick spray. I'm using a baking spray, but you could also rub it down with butter. Grab a spatula and get the batter into the pan, making sure to scrape the sides of the pan to get it all in there. Sorry about the camera angle, I should have done this from the other side, but you get the idea hopefully. A quick shake to level it out, and into a 350-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes, depending on how gooey or firm you prefer your brownies. I did 25 minutes for mine. And after 25 minutes, we'll pull these out and let them cool before cutting into them. And there we have it, a delicious homemade brownie. It goes well with a scoop of vanilla ice cream if you're into that sort of thing. We'll give this ice cream a little pat to flatten it out. And let's give this a taste. Delicious. It's a little fudgy in the middle and has a perfect texture. I might as well finish this whole thing off. Well, I hope you give this a try and let me know how it turns out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.